Okay, good morning class. How are you all? I hope you all are well at staying your home. Okay, and I hope you all are doing your study well. No, you all are enjoying whole day. That is not a good thing. You have to do your study, right? So, uh, your test will be held on 27, the science test, right? So we are going to do revision of the chapters soil conservation and erosion, right? So let us come and start the question, right? So first question, fill in the blanks. Okay, so the question is, did remain of plant and animals form so give answer the class. The dead remains of plants and animal form what they form. I told you before in the classes when I taught you what we call the dead remain of plants and animals form. The dead remain of plant and animal what they form. Okay, I know. You know the answer? Good class. Give answer. What will be the answer? Yes. Yes. Right. Humus. What? Humus. The answer will be humus, right? So the dead remain of plants and animals form the humus, right? Second one is protection of soil known as. Yes class, give answer. What we call the protection of soil known as, what we call the protection of soil. We are protecting the soil. So what we are saying, that a particular word, right? I know. You know the answer. Good class. Give answer. Yes. Very good. What will be the answer? Right? What? Very good. Soil conservation. What? Soil. The answer will be soil conservation. You know what is soil conservation and what is humus? So humus, as you know, as I told you before, the dead remain of the plants and animal, they decompose by the bacteria and fungi, right? They break down into simpler form and they change into humus, and that make the soil fertile, right? So humus, where it is found? In the topmost layer of the soil, right? And the soil conservation, there is many method of soil conservation to protecting the soil from the erosion, that is called the soil conservation, right? Very good class. Is removed by the soil erosion. To the class, give answer. What will be the answer? Very good class. Very good. Give answer. What will be the answer here? Is removed by the soil erosion. What is removed by the soil erosion? think about that. When the soil erosion happen, right? So what is removed? Yes, very good. Very good, class. I know you know the answer. Yes, the answer will be topsoil. The answer will be topsoil, right? So, you know, the soil erosion is what? The removal of the topmost layer of the soil that is very fertile, right? So, that is what? That is a topsoil. The uppermost layer of the soil. That is very fertile. So, removal of that soil is called the soil erosion. Right, class? Okay, the next one is what? Okay, class. So, here MCQ question, right? So, first one is what? Soil is formed right? So the question is what? Soil is formed when with organic matter and fat, vitamin, and mineral. Class, give answer. I know you know the answer. You can do it. Yes, class. What will be the answer? Soil is formed when what mixes? The sand mixes with organic matter and what? The fat, vitamin, or mineral. Yes, class. You know the answer. Very good. What will be the answer? Yes, mineral. What? So, as you know, as I told you before, as I explained you before, when I taught you the chapter, rocks were present, right? And water. No soil were there, right? So, what happened after that? Due to weathering, right? Due to weathering means the rocks, they got heated, then drying, they heated, and they repeated heating and cooling again and again. How? Due to sun heat, it dry, it heating, and then again due to rain, it cooled down, right? So by the again and again, by the repeating of drying and cooling, what happened? The rocks got cracked, right? And when the rain again happened, the rain comes, what happened? The water goes inside the cracks, right? And this water in the when the weather changes in the winter season, it change into ice, right? Then what happened? Due to this ice, that is ice in the solid form, so it exert pressure on the rocks, then rocks break down into smaller pieces, and what happened then? Then it flow with water and it moves other places, and then again the plant grows on that, and the dead remain of the plant and animals it mixes with, it change into humus, and also the sand particles, the fine particle of the rocks, the rocks particles get powder, then the fine particle of sand, the dead remain part of the plants and animals, it change into humus, and the minerals it mixes with each other and it change into soil, right? And you know, soil is very important for us. We can grow the plant in the soil, and we all are depend on the food on the plants, right? So that's all about the formation of soil, right? Come, do the next question. So the next question is, the layer of the earth surface is known as, right? What we call it? Which layer of the earth surface is known as soil? Yes, class? Give answer. Okay. Give answer, class. I know you know the answer. What will be the answer, class? Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes. What will be the answer? Bottom, middle or top? You know the answer? You can do it? Yes? Okay, class. The answer will be top. Right? So, the top layer of the earth surface is known as soil, right? As I told you before, class, there is three main layer we found on the earth, right? So first is topsoil. In the soil, we found three layers. First one is the topsoil, right? Second one is subsoil. In the topsoil, we found the humus, all the type of nutrients and minerals, right? That is good for the growing crop and plants because it is very fertile. The second is subsoil, right? So what is subsoil? That is that hold the root of the plant, the subsoil layer, right? Then some material of parent soil, and after that the bedrock. So bedrock is what? That is a very hard layer of the soil, right? And from the bedrock, all these layers are formed of the soil, right? So the top layer is what? That is the surface, the top layer of the earth surface is known as soil, right? Is very fertile. Very fertile. Why? Because it is very rich in. What will be the answer, beta? Very rich in. Okay, I am giving you a option. Sand, clay. You can do it, class. Okay, give answer. What will be the answer? Sand. What will be the answer? Sand. What? Clay. Tell me, I don't know the answer. Okay, class? You know the answer. Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes, right. Very good. Humus. Humus. Topsoil is very fertile because it is rich in humus, right? Because it is rich in humus. So we have already discussed about the humus, right? So the answer will be the humus. Okay, the next question is word answer. One word answer. Question is the removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water. Wind and water. So the removal of fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water. Water, right? So what will be the answer? What we call this activity in one word, right? So the removal of the fertile top layer of the soil by the action of by the force of wind and water. So what we call that? What we call this activity? Yes, class. I know you know the answer. What will be the answer? Yes, class. Yes, very good. We all have learned. Okay. So what will be the answer? Yes. The answer will be soil erosion. Right? What will be the answer? Soil erosion. So that is a one word for the removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of wind and water. Many of the other reason also. So what is the causes of soil erosion? We all have discussed in the class, right? So many causes you have learnt about the soil erosion, right? The causes of soil erosion is overgrazing. What are the causes of soil erosion? The flowing water, force of strong wind, right? And the plowing the hills, overgrazing of animal, deforestation in large scale, the cutting the plant, cutting the forest in large scale, that is called the deforestation, right? So the people are cutting down the forest for their own requirement, for making buildings, for growing crops, right? So many of the reason they are cutting down the forest, the deforestation, so that all are the causes of soil erosion, right? Okay. The growing of plants in large scale. Okay, class. What will be the answer? What we call in one word? The growing of plants in large scale. Yes. Give answer, beta. Yes. Yes. Very good. Yes. Very good, class. The answer will be yes. Afforestation. What will be the answer? Afforestation. Afforestation, right? So the growing of plants in large scale, that is called afforestation. As you know, class, we all have already discussed about that. So that is the method of soil conservation. We all have discussed many methods of soil conservation. What are the methods that we can by following these methods we can conserve the soil? So the methods are: first is afforestation, reforestation is also, avoid the overgrazing of animal, right? Or the next one is construction of embankment, right? And step farming, right? So these all are the methods of conservation of soil, right? You know the embankment, to making a large stone, strong stone at the both side of the river and and streams, right? River or stream. So making with large or strong stones the embankment of river or stream on the both side of that. So that is embankment of the river. So we would be overcome from the flood also from the soil erosion, right? Making dam is also, that is a method of soil conservation. How? When we make the dam, right? So what will be that? It make the speed flow of the river or the water, right? When the water speed becomes slow, then what happens? The soil would not be eroded from the land, and it makes the fertile the land, right? So making dam is also that is a method of soil conservation, right? And plowing, strip farming also on the hilly area, we can do the farming with a method of strip farming. That is a when we what would be happen when the flowing water comes from the high mountains, it make the speed slow of the water, and the soil that is eroded from the first step it deposited in second step, then again the eroded soil from the second step it deposited in the third step. So as the same way, it the soil at the bottom, what would be happen? The soil would not be erode, the top soil will not be erode, if that is eroded to soil is deposited in the next layer of the farm, right? So we also can conserve the water, right? So that all are the methods of soil conservation. Okay class, I think, am I clear? If you are having any query, any question about this chapter, you can ask me, right class? Okay, so thank you class, have a nice day, be your study, right?